All right, this is our last set of vocabulary words for the whole year. Can you believe that? Next week, for our last week of school, we are just going to review some words that we've worked on this year. So this is our last set. So what we're going to do today is introduce all the words and learn all of their meanings. So repeat after me as we go through all of the words. Coincidence, consequences, consume, converted, efficient, incredible, installed, and renewable. All right, let's dive in and see what some of these words mean. Let's start with coincidence. A coincidence is a remarkable occurrence of events or circumstances at the same time, apparently by chance. Example, it is a coincidence that Eric bumped into his friend Tom at the fair. So they weren't supposed to meet each other, but they just happened to be there and see each other at the same time. What coincidences have you experienced? Next word, consequences. Consequences are the result of an action. Example, the consequence of too much rain can be flooded roads and fields. Right now at my house, it is thunderstorming and raining. So a consequence could be that when I wake up tomorrow, there are going to be flooded roads and fields. I hope not, but you never know. Name consequences for skipping homework. Ooh, so if you skip homework in my class, what is your consequence? No fun Friday. Consume. When you consume something, you use it up or destroy it. Example, this kind of car will consume less fuel because it uses less gas than a larger car. What do people consume? So think about that question. What do people consume? Converted. When something is converted, it is changed in its character, condition, or use. We converted the classroom into a science lab, so we changed it into a science lab. What is a synonym for converted? Synonym means same. Hopefully you said that. So what are words that mean the same as converted? Efficient. When things are efficient, they get the wanted result with a minimum amount of time or effort. The efficient plumber got the job done quickly and easily. What is an efficient way to get to school? So what is a fast way to get to school, or a way to get to school with minimal effort or time? Incredible. Something that is incredible is hard or impossible to believe. We saw an incredible thunderstorm. Right now, there's an incredible thunderstorm going on outside my house. I don't know if you can hear it, but if you can, I apologize because it's pretty loud. Ask, what have you seen that is incredible? Installed. When something is installed, it is put in place for use or service. Example, the town installed new playground equipment in the park. What is an antonym for installed? So antonym means opposite. So what is a word that means the opposite of installed? And last word, renewable. Something that is renewable is able to be replaced or restored. When my library card expired, the librarian told me it was renewable. So even though it was expired, I could still restore it or get a replacement library card. What is something that is not renewable? So once it's gone, it is gone. All right, so those are our 8 words that we are working with this week. Go ahead and do page 5 of your vocabulary packet and come back tomorrow and we will work on an activity to go over our words.